Tired of cluttered cabinets and zero counter space? Say goodbye to kitchen chaos with these game-changing organization gadgets. Today, I'm sharing 20 of the best Amazon kitchen organization products that will totally transform your space and help you reclaim your countertops, drawers, and cabinets like a pro. Let's dive in. But before we dive, if you're looking to save time, get free 2-day shipping on kitchen gadgets and so much more with an Amazon Prime 30-day free trial, links in the description below. Now, let's get started. First up, Charmline Smart Cutting Board and Knife Set. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with this smart, space-saving set featuring automatic drying, color-coded boards for food safety, and stainless steel knives with storage. A modern must-have for hygienic, hassle-free cooking. Price: $119.97. Next up, Food Dispenser 2L. Organize your pantry with this airtight bamboo dispenser, perfect for cereal, rice, flour, and snacks. Eco-friendly, space-saving, and easy to use, it keeps food fresh and your kitchen tidy. A stylish, functional upgrade for any home. Price: $49.95. 3. Kamenstein Countertop Spice Rack. Upgrade your kitchen with this sleek rotating spice rack featuring 20 pre-filled glass jars with labeled black caps and removable sifters. Keep spices organized and accessible while enjoying 5 years of free spice refills. Stainless steel design adds a modern touch and convenience to any countertop or cabinet. Price: $33.65. For stainless steel dish drying rack. Keep your kitchen neat with this rust-proof, large-capacity drying rack. The 2-tier design holds dishes, pans, and glasses for families of 3 to 4. Includes a drain board, cutlery holder, and removable parts for easy cleaning. Sturdy, stylish, and space-saving, perfect for everyday use. Price: $19.99. 5. Prepdeck Recipe Prep and Storage Station. Streamline meal prep with 8 essential tools, 14 containers with lids, a deluxe cutting board, scrap bins, and a tablet stand. Mess-free, organized, and stylish, perfect for fast, stress-free cooking. Ideal for busy kitchens and meal preppers. Price: $123.49. 6. Joseph DrawerStore Knife Organizer. Keep your kitchen drawer neat and safe with this compact 2-tier knife organizer. It holds up to 9 knives, separating small and large blades for easy access. Non-slip feet keep it stable, and it fits drawers with a minimum height of 3 inches. A smart, space-saving solution for organized kitchens. Price: $7.99. 7. Cuisinart 15-piece knife set with block. Slice with precision using this high-carbon stainless steel knife set. Includes 15 essential tools with full-tang blades, triple rivet handles, and a sturdy wooden block. Designed for control, durability, and sharp performance, perfect for any kitchen. Backed by a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Price: $94.99. 8. Vtopmart Glass Food Storage Jars. Keep your kitchen organized and stylish with these high-quality glass jars. Featuring 7 various sizes, they're perfect for storing pasta, cereal, nuts, coffee, and more. Each jar comes with a natural bamboo lid and airtight silicone seal to keep food fresh and dry. Made from heat-resistant borosilicate glass, they're durable, fridge-safe, and easy to clean with their wide mouth design. Ideal for pantry organization or countertop display, they bring function and beauty to your space. Price: $29.99. 9. Remerry 3 PCS Square Milk Bottle. Stay hydrated on the go with these 34 ounces reusable bottles made from durable, safe plastic. Each features dual lids, one for sipping or straws, the other for adding fruits or ice. Leak-proof and portable, they're ideal for school, office, travel, and outdoor fun. Great for water, milk, juice, or coffee. Price: $20.99. 10. Vdomus Pot Rack Organizer. Maximize kitchen space with this adjustable pot holder, featuring 3 installation options for custom storage. Holds up to 8 pots or pans of various sizes, with adjustable dividers and enhanced stability. Made from durable cast iron, it includes a U-shaped groove for secure pot lid storage and comes with rubbery tubes for extra stability. Price: $26.99. 11. Smart Cutting Board and Knife Set. This self-cleaning cutting board set includes 4 color-coded boards for stainless steel knives and a drying holder. The smart holder eliminates bacteria with purple light and dries tools in 60 minutes. Stylish and hygienic, it's perfect for modern kitchens and ensures safe, efficient meal prep. Price: $134.95. 12. Coselena Under Sink Storage Organizer. Maximize your under-sink space with this durable, slide-out storage organizer. Made of rust-resistant plastic and reinforced with thick support tubes, it's built to last. The 2-tier design provides ample storage for cleaning or bathroom essentials, while the easy-access drawers and detachable hooks make organization a breeze. Perfect for kitchens and bathrooms, this organizer keeps your space tidy and efficient. Price: $25.99. 13. Foldable Metal Utility Rolling Cart. This versatile 3-tier cart offers large-capacity storage with mesh baskets to prevent odors and easy cleaning. It's made from durable, rust-resistant material, holds up to 60 pounds per shelf, and features 360-degree wheels for easy mobility. Perfect for kitchens, offices, or bathrooms. Price: $45.99. 14. Calmbee Storage Bag Organizer. Transform cluttered drawers into an organized dream with this all-in-one bamboo baggie and wrap organizer. It holds gallon, quart, sandwich, and snack bags, plus 12-inch foil, plastic wrap, and wax paper. Includes a built-in slide cutter and labels for easy use. Durable, eco-friendly bamboo design with connectable or detachable setup for drawer, wall, or countertop use. Price: $49.99. 15. Ankou Pop Airtight Food Storage Containers. Keep your pantry neat and food fresh with these airtight, stackable containers. Featuring a 1-button pop design, they open in seconds for easy access. Leak-proof and made from BPA-free AS material, they're safe and durable. Clear scale markings help track contents, and multiple sizes are perfect for cereal, flour, snacks, coffee, pasta, and more. Ideal for busy kitchens needing organized storage and quick access. Enjoy hassle-free cleanup and reliable after-sale support for peace of mind. Price: $85.99. 16. Honey Bamboo Cereal Dispenser. Keep your dry foods fresh and your counters tidy with this sleek bamboo cereal dispenser. It features a BPA-free container that's perfect for cereal, granola, coffee beans, and more. The natural bamboo base adds style to your kitchen while offering durability and sustainability. With a built-in portion control twist system and removable crumb tray, cleanup is a breeze. Ideal for organized, mess-free mornings and eco-conscious homes. Price: $34.77. 17. Bread Box with Airtight Seal. Keep your bread fresher for longer with this airtight bread box featuring a unique time recording dial, perfect for tracking freshness. Its spacious 12 by 6.1 by 6.2 inch design fits most breads, while the silicone seal and air valve lock in flavor and moisture. Made of BPA-free plastic with a transparent lid for easy viewing, it also stores fruits and veggies with a built-in drain board. A must-have for organized, fresh kitchens. Price: $22.99. 18. Thicken Glass Storage Jar with Wooden Lid. Keep your pantry stylish and organized with this airtight glass storage jar. Made from food-grade borosilicate glass, it's perfect for tea, coffee, honey, or dry goods. The upgraded wooden lid ensures a tight seal to keep contents fresh, while its elegant design fits any kitchen. Microwave and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Price: $29.99. 19. Small Bowl Drainer Rack. Keep your kitchen counter and cabinets organized with this stainless steel drying rack. Featuring 8 divider slots, it's perfect for storing small bowls neatly and accessibly. Made of rust-resistant 304 stainless steel, it's durable and space-saving, ideal for compact kitchens. Price: $15.99. 20. G-TING Pot Rack Organizer. Easily organize your cookware with this 8-tier adjustable pot rack. Featuring 3 DIY setups, non-slip pads, and sturdy iron construction, it fits all pot sizes and prevents clutter. Install it vertically or horizontally, no tools needed. Ideal for maximizing kitchen storage and keeping lids and pans in place. Price: $20.98. 21. Wire Fruit Basket for Kitchen Storage. Declutter your kitchen with this 3-pack stackable fruit and vegetable basket set. Use on the counter or mount on the wall to save space and stay organized. Made of durable carbon steel with bamboo lids, each basket offers generous storage for produce, snacks, or pantry items. Folds flat when not in use, perfect for compact kitchens. Price: $28.49. 22. Bamboo Wooden Dish Racks Plate Stand Holder. This 2-pack bamboo rack is a smart way to declutter your kitchen. With 6 slots and sturdy pegs, it holds dishes, lids, cutting boards, or even books securely. Crafted from eco-friendly bamboo, it's stylish, rust-free, and compact. Easy to assemble and versatile for countertops or cabinets. It's a great space-saving kitchen organizer. Price: $8.99. Which of these kitchen organization gadgets would you use first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome finds, and share this with your fellow kitchen lovers. Thank you for watching.